Hey guys, welcome to a little bit of technical analysis on Litecoin. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is only for educational use only. And with that, let's go ahead and get in it. Remember, these are just guesses. Some are right and some are wrong. But if we're looking real close here on the 1 hour chart on Litecoin, we have put in a bearish Gartley. This would be considered the impulse leg down as a starting point. This right here would be the break of structure. Right here, where it pushes down. So if that's our starting point, this would be our X leg. B leg would come right in here to the 61.8. C leg would be the 61.8. And I believe they call this a 222 Gartley, as in a perfect Gartley. So let's do the measurements. The 61.8 would be the B leg. Comes perfect right in there. Let's measure the C leg. We almost hit it. Real close, real close. Real close. Real close. It's not exactly a 222 Gartley, but it's really close. Our D point would be, we would use a Fibonacci expansion tool right here. We would pull from here to here, back down. The 127 extension would be the D point. Would allow us to get stops. Oh, wrong one. Right here. We're gonna enter here. Get our stops above the X leg. Take profit 2 would be the 38.2. Right here at 132. Take profit 2 would be the 61.8. 121. So that would be the bearish Gartley. Let's delete everything. Okay, I'm not trying to get short on this. I'm trying to get long. So what I see here is a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. I know this is a higher high because this is an impulse leg, because it breaks and closes above here. So I'm looking to try to buy this after this huge dip we've encountered. So to do that, I would need a 3-point move, and this would be my 3-point move right here. 1, 2, 3. Since I know this is a higher low, I'm going and fill this in. This would be my low. Be my higher high. My impulse leg would be from 118.65 to 148.60, 149.13. I'm using this as a impulse leg. I'm using this as a bullish rotation. So I'm trying to get into the bullish rotation. So I would be looking for a pullback to here. If I can get a pullback from there, then I can look to buy. And if I buy at that 61.8 level, it'll allow me to get my stops below the 113. And it also give me a risk to reward of a 1.15. So it at least gives me a 1-to-1 ratio. Alright. If I'm looking for extended targets, I would use the expansion tool. And I would pull from here, the higher low, to here, the higher high, and back down. Second targets would be the 127. Third targets would be the 61.1618 extension. Alright, so I can see that the 127 will give me a risk to reward to 1.52, so 1.5, and the 1618 extension would give me a 2.24 ratio. So at this moment, we're just kind of sitting on our hands. If price pulls on down, I would be looking to buy. Okay, so I want to do something. Let's delete everything real quick. Okay, so right now we're sitting right here at 141. If price just moves sideways and goes up and then decides to come down, nothing's changed, I would just move my Fibonacci retracement tool up, and then I would just continue to wait for that pullback. Make sense? So here's the trade right now. Scared me. So this is what I'm looking at. If we can pull on down here to 130, Then we can look to buy it up for a retest of the high for extensions. Thanks for watching my video.